We all know that Houdini, the most commonly used third-party renderer, is Redshift. But its installation is not as simple as in C4D. This lesson will help you solve this problem. First, we go to the documentation minus Houdini 21. Notepad, open Houdini, click env for this file. Add the following line of code and save the file. I will put the full code in the comment area. Redshift has strict requirements on the version of the software. The version of the software should correspond to the version of Redshift. Version does not match. Can't find it even if Houdini is installed. So first, we need to determine our own version of Houdini, then go to the official version support website. The above details the small version of Houdini, adapted Houdini version. For example, the current version of Houdini I use is 21.0.44. The supported version of Redshift is 2026.0.1 to the latest. Then we went to the official release forum and to the 2026.0.1. Find Houdini minus related content in the release log. Does it have its own version support? And here it is. Added support for Houdini 21.0.44. So download this version. Note that I usually use a full installer. Of course, the previous website also clearly states that the latest version of RS also supports. So we went to the latest version on the download page. You can also download this version of Redshift. Don't worry when installing. It will automatically tick with Reda. All options related to Houdini. There is another special case. That is, the production builds of Houdini have been updated, but Redshift major version updates haven't kept up with this yet. At this time, in the new version of Houdini, the previously installed Redshift cannot be recognized. For example, the current production version of Houdini is 21.0.512. Redshift 2026.11, this latest version. It's in its release notes. It is not stated that this version is supported. At this time, you need to come to this page of the forum. Before the RS major version update, the official will make a small patch for the latest version of RS to support the latest version of Houdini. Plugins that support 21.0.512 are clearly stated here, and the corresponding Redshift version. So we downloaded this version of Windows. Because I am using Windows. After the download is complete, we will get the following two folders. We need to put some of them. Houdini&Solaris folders. Put it in this folder. Put another Procedurals folder. Put it in this folder. Pay attention to all operations. It must be done with Houdini turned off. This is today's dry goods sharing. Hope it helps you. I am Tiny. Follow me to make Houdini learning easy.